Hundreds of protesters have gathered in Democratic-led cities across the U.S., including Portland and Chicago, as tensions rise between local communities and federal authorities. In Portland, protests have been ongoing for weeks and further escalated last Friday, after U.S. President Donald Trump announced the deployment of federal agents to crack down on demonstrators outside the ICE facility on Saturday. Hundreds marched from Elizabeth Caruthers Park to the detention center in Portland, blocking the road. Federal officers fired tear gas, smoke canisters, and pepper balls, making at least 7 arrests, in which 2 of them were released later. Moreover, Trump has also declared that he would deploy 200 Oregon National Guard troops to Portland, but the plan is being temporarily blocked by U.S. District Judge Karen Immergut, who has ruled that the Trump administration lacks a legal basis. She has further warned that the troop deployment risks violating state sovereignty and inflames tensions. Following the ruling, U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has ordered hundreds of California National Guard troops to Portland and has also agreed with Texas to deploy troops to Portland, Chicago, and other locations. Meanwhile, lawyers for Oregon, California, and Portland have asked Judge Immergut to expand her order to cover these additional troops and any Texas personnel. Additionally, in a social media post on X, Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker has highlighted that 400 Texas National Guard troops were ordered to deploy to Illinois, Oregon, and other states. He has also noted that no federal officials contacted him and warned against using federal troops as political tools. The governor went on to describe Trump's move as an unauthorized invasion, while also urging Texas Governor Greg Abbott to withhold support. These deployments target Democratic-led cities including Washington, Los Angeles, Memphis, Portland, and Chicago, raising legal questions since National Guard troops are usually under state control and federal domestic use is restricted. In Chicago, protests near ICE facilities have prompted the White House to authorize 300 National Guard members to provide protection to federal officers after a woman was shot by Border Patrol following an alleged vehicle ramming incident. President Trump has defended using U.S. cities as training grounds for troops to address unrest, even as homicide rates in Chicago have declined over the past 2 years. Now, legal challenges continue with Judge Immergut's order in effect until October 18. October 19th, California Governor Gavin Newsom has confirmed that the troops were sent to Portland and that he has plans to sue and block the deployment. Citing legal and constitutional concerns, local leaders warn these moves may escalate tensions, while the Trump administration says that troops are intended to protect federal assets and personnel. Bureau Report, NewsX World.